So I'm back, it is good, and I'm back playing my Let's Play with our house building thing. Got Bill the cat here. And it's been about a month since I've made that first video. And yeah, still got our mine here. We got our skyscraper now. It's pretty huge. Apparently they didn't want a fence on that. Home sweet home. I'm playing with King GJ also this time. My pal. Killer 1550 45 and SpraAnt. And got our nether portal. Our enchanting thing that is sort of messed up. I want to go in here. Just gotta show you all the progress we've made since last time, and then I'll start actually playing. What? There we go. What is this lag? It's the lag. Got quiet all of a sudden. What? I don't think he's playing legit right now. Well, nothing to do in the... And... Again! Never! What's going on with this? There we go. What? I have no idea where I am. But since I'm here, I might as well do some parkour. Looks like this is a place for somebody to blew up. Yeah. So, let's just get over there. Crap. Let me just get. Okay, I'm back. I made it back to the house, and yeah, everything here is going good, and I think this house is a bit too overdone for me, so I'm gonna sneak off and build my own house. First, I gotta take a bunch of resources, so I got a cool, awesome house. That's great. Hidden is gonna be Dud's personal house. I wanna know what's in this furnace. Right click. It's not on me to any of this stuff. I'm probably gonna lag out again. Oh, nope. Let's go here, here. This is all my stuff. I'm gonna build myself an awesome house inside of the forest. I want a crafting table. Some shears too. Something like crap! I'm not taking stuff. I'm not taking stuff. What am I doing? Yes, this is jackpot. I'm just gonna run away now and be back when I got a house position. So I found a spot for my house. There's their house, and I was looking and I found this, There's a little shack on the hill. I wonder what it is. Nothing in the chest. I think this is a great spot to start my own civilization here. Just needs a little house living. And I think I'm going to craft myself these lines are so annoying. I'm gonna delete these for one. And place a crafting table. Take that out of there. He hasn't noticed yet that I took all of his stuff. So, he died. I'm playing with SpraAnt, the awesome person that made my intro. You know what I mean. So, oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take only 4 obsidian. These are 2 diamond pickaxes that I took. I think I'm just gonna go like this. Replace all of this. What? Well, naked. They're just better than nothing. I don't know why I'm saying that. There we go. Get some sticks. And an iron sword. I'm gonna go back to the normal house. I'm gonna use their enchanting table with my level 32 enchanting. Go enchant the sword. And I'll continue recording once it's enchanted. Okay, so I'm back and oh my, it's nighttime, but just daytime, so it is. I'm getting sand to complete my house. Killer 155045. He actually found it. He actually found my house, and I said I built it, because I didn't actually build, I found it. And I said I built it, and he's like, oh, okay. He doesn't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to take all this stuff and put it in the house. And yeah, it's a house on top of a hill. If I could actually get up this, I have to do something about that. Wait, be right back. So, I'm getting a lot of lag here. I'm smelting some glass so I can fix my house to make it look all pretty. Crap like that. What I'm gonna do with this house is I'm gonna take a bunch of their materials and I'm just gonna stockpile them here and they'll never know unless they find out. But I'll take them when no one's around. I could use some smooth stones, so nah, I won't. I was gonna TP, but I hate doing it. I'm gonna eat a pie once my hunger bar gets done. Slain by Enderman. You should check out their channels. King GJ his YouTube is King GJ Minecraft 666, and Killer 155045 is it's Music from Rush is what it's called because he's a huge fan of Rush, and so yeah. He's a huge fan of Rush. So yeah, that's why it's got Music from Rush. And SpraAnt's called the fan kid. I don't know. I'm going to die so hard, and I know it. Because this is super lag. This is so laggy right now. It's probably laggy on YouTube too. He's closed the server. Well, he closed the server, and my next video I'll be back and I will troll them very hard. So, goodbye.